What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube. Just my own thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community. And yeah, on today's episode, guys, we'll be covering TJ Hunt, vehicle versions and B's for Build and a few others as well. If you're new to the channel and into this kind of stuff, yeah, please do check out my other videos. Again, it's just my thoughts and opinions, no BS, you know, just straight up whatever I say comes to mind is basically the way it is. I do read all your comments, I do respond to your comments as well, so do get commenting. Please do smash the subscribe button and the like button. We are aiming for 2,000 subs and hopefully to get a project car as well this year. And yeah, and as well, guys, at the end of the video I'm going to be telling you about a vlog I'm doing tomorrow for the Cars and Coffee, my first ever Cars and Coffee here in the UK. So I'm going to give you some information on that at the end of the video as well. So let's jump into this video. We're going to be kicking it off with TJ Hunt, and he's gone and done it. I've been screaming for this fucking thing for ages. I'm so delighted he's finally gone and started a Fast and Furious project that I've been mad to see somebody to do this project. TJ Hunt has gone out and got an RX-7 and has bought the Veilside Fortune RX-7 kit from the Fast and Furious, and he even rang Han from the movie to let him know that he's building it, and I cannot wait. No, he even checked on YouTube if anybody's ever done this kit before, if there's a lot of information how to fit this kit, basically stuff like that, and he said there's little to none information about people fitting this kit. So the kit he got was a guy down in Texas, I think it was. The guy had an RX-7, he went away and bought the kit. He was going to put it on his car. A year later, he just didn't bother and he sold it. Now this kit is around 21,000 US dollars to buy, and it takes up to 5 months to get. Basically the price of an RX-7, crazy fucking money. It's basically for rich people, you know. If you can afford it, you do it. Like if I was in TJ Hunt's shoes, or DD, or Tavarish, or anybody, if I had their kind of money coming from YouTube, this is the only way I'd ever buy an RX-7 if I was doing this build. And that's basically no offense to RX-7 owners. I really do love them. It's just that rotary engine, but I don't know enough about them. That's probably why I'd only buy it for the Veilside kit. So yeah, I can't wait to see him do this build. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. What color should he go on the RX-7? We've already seen the orange one, we know it's out there. I hope he doesn't do an absolute replica, because like we've all seen the orange one. I hope he just goes a different color and does a bit of his own twist on it. That's a big thing for me. I like when TJ does his own twist. If he goes for the exact copy, I will be annoyed, but at the end of the day, like, for me, it's one of the best looking JDM cars, kitted JDM cars out there, because I'm big into my body kits and transforming a car to make it look your own. So yeah, cannot wait for this project, guys. Please let me know what you think of the Veilside Fortune body kit in the comments below. Is it one you would do or not do? I know it's a big debate in the JDM community as well, but I absolutely love it. It is a big yes for me. If I ever make it in the YouTube world of money, I would be putting this one into my garage, a definite build for me. Next up, guys, is going to be B's for Builds, and yeah, they have gone away and now picked out a color for the R34s on the R35 build, and they have gone with midnight purple, but not just any midnight purple, may I add. This is basically, it is a chameleon flip, like it's a flip wrap, like that's what it is. They got it from 3M and it looks fucking gorgeous. I absolutely fucking love this. It's like, I just love the way it shifts through the colors. Like I grew up in the Fast and Furious days. Like I grew up when modifying cars back in the very early 2000s started going crazy. And I remember when flip paints came out and when people just started spraying their cars in the flip paint that was costing like 3,000 upwards to do it, and it was just so memorizing when you had the cars in this color, and it was huge back then, and obviously it faded out. But I've been saying it, that it looks like, I feel that the flip is kind of coming back into it a bit. So I really love this. I'm a big fan of the colour he's picked. I'm absolutely loved it. Not liking the wheels. A lot of people in the comments below said they don't like the wheels on the car. I think he needs to go bigger and he needs to go with a dish. That is just my own preference and my own opinion. But the rest of it looks fucking ace. I mean, he's hit it spot on with the colour, and I'm really liking this build. It's going really well. So let me know what you think of the colour, guys, in the comments below. I know it's either yes or no for people, but for me, if I had that money, it would be in my top 10 of wraps I would buy for a project car. Next up, guys, is going to be vehicle versions. So vehicle versions, the reason I'm mentioning him is two reasons. One of his videos was, the video I watched basically was, he said, you won't believe why the police pulled me over. Clickbait title, as we know. It was clickbait. It was over tags. He said the tags were expired, but they actually weren't. The car was registered. He never put the tags in the car. Something like that anyway. Something stupid. It literally was like a few seconds of a clip and that was it. But he was out at I think it was a Sunday or something, some car meet was going on. Some of the cars that were there, I think Kevin Hart's SF90 was there, and there was Balloon White LaFerrari there, a 488 Pista was there as well, and basically he was tagging along. Paul Wallace was there as well from Supercars of London, and yeah, there was some really good epic cars there. Now the reason I'm bringing this up is because I went away and I looked at vehicle versions social bit. The reason I did this is because he was at 2,210,000, I think, thousand or something like that since he kind of went down. And when I looked, I was like, he's got up 10,000. So I went on Social Blade, and lo and behold, he seems to be slowly dragging himself back up into the subscribers. His Telsa Model X views was like 500,000. That is the most amount of views he's gotten on a video since the whole debacle back in early 2020. Like, it's insane. I think it was late 2020 when it all happened, but like, he's slowly now starting to go back up, because Social Blade was showing me months ago he was making maybe around 2,000 a month, thereabouts to 3. Now he's making nearly 9,000 a month. Like, I know he's got sponsors on top of that. So obviously he's clearing a good bit of money now into the month. So if he keeps going up, I feel, in views, which, like, he seems to be just getting a small bit of traction, he might start getting enough money back to go back doing bills. I feel like he's still kind of slowly getting there, but like, it's baby steps. But it's interesting to see, is he going to claw this back, or is anything going to happen this year? Like, I think he's not going to want to fuck this up, and he's going to really concentrate on trying to claw back that money, because obviously if he gets the money, he's going to start going back doing bills again. So it'll be very interesting to see what Vehicle Versions does this year. Please let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of Vehicle Versions this year, what his chances are, and you back watching him, and your thoughts and opinions. Next up, guys, basically is going to be Highcade. Highcade, as we all know, he's over 100,000 subs. If you haven't seen this guy, he basically renders body kits online. He has a piece of software. He's done the M8 this time. It looks unbelievable. I'm not too fond of the blue, but like, check out the video, link in the description below. The kit is so aggressive. It actually suits the M8 down to the ground. I absolutely love it. I mean, the guy just does some sick work. I think there's rumors floating about that he might be in talks with somebody about producing his body kits. So, that's a big thing. Once his kits come out, he's going to do really well, but I can't see them being cheap. I'm thinking these kits are going to be like $2,000 up, which is out of reach for somebody like me. But he's such a good person for rendering body kits, guys. If you do watch him, let me know what you think of his channel below and his body kit renders. Last up on the list, guys, is going to be Paradox Rapper. Just basically so I bring it to your attention, he has wrapped his C8 in a new color. It's basically a Nardo grey with a very strong pinky purple flip to it. It's really nice. I really love, like, if I was going to go Nardo grey, this would be probably the Nardo grey I go for. It's his own brand that he's put on it, And yeah, his R8 is coming out really well. I think he's waiting for a set of wheels, but this color really stands out for me. I really like it, and I think it's absolutely sick. Let me know in the comments below, guys, would you actually wrap your car in Nardo Grey with this really of a pink flip? And what you think of the color and think of the wrap. Just said I bring it to your attention. I really like it, and I think Paradox the Rapper is a very good channel, and he does some really sick wraps. So that's it for today, guys. Again, you know, thanks a million if you're supporting the channel. I'm sorry I haven't been posting that much. Tomorrow is Cars and Coffee here in Liverpool. I am going to try my best to vlog this. I'm not used to vlogging, guys. I'm only using my phone. I just feel weird talking into my phone in front of people. I'm just not used to it, so I will try my best to vlog tomorrow. I'll try and get, this is supposed to be a very big Cars and Coffee. I will do my best to edit it. I'm not a very good editor, but I'll see what I can do, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in that vlog. So until then, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.